Hello children, hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss class 3 computer science chapter a GUI operating system. Our main focus will be to understand what is operating system and what are the kinds of operating system. In previous lecture you have learned about operating system and its kinds like GUI and CUI. Today we will discuss the desktop in Windows 7. You can see many components on the desktop like desktop background, icons, taskbar and the start button. The picture in the background of the desktop is called the desktop background. It is also called wallpaper. Taskbar, the long bar seen at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. The taskbar contains the start button, the quick launch bar and the notification area. Start button is located at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When you click on it, the start menu opens. The start menu contains a list of programs. Icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Each icon stands for a file, folder or software. Now the basic operations on the desktop. First one, selecting and deselecting an icon. Second, moving an icon. Third one is arranging desktop icons. Fourth one is sorting desktop icons. Fifth one is opening an icon and sixth one is changing desktop background. These all are the basic operations on the desktop. You can see there is a laptop in the video and in the laptop there is a mouse pointer. You can see on the screen, black screen, it is moving. Here we will learn how to use mouse to select an icon. I am selecting the Google Chrome and open it and close it. Now go to the another icon, that is recycle bin, open it. This is the recycle bin and go to the cross button and the right corner, it is in red color, and click on it. Your icon, your folder is closed. Then we will take mouse pointer on an icon and drag it and drop it anywhere on the desktop. For dragging and dropping the icon, when you click left button of mouse for one time, it will select the icon. Then if you will double click on left button on the icon, then that icon will open. You can see in the video. Let's see how to arrange the icon on the desktop. You right click on the blank area, go to the auto arrange icon and click on that checkbox. Automatically all the icon arranged in left side. Then see the example, I'm doing one icon in the middle and go to the view option and go to the auto arrange icon, click on that. Automatically that icon arranged in left side. Now let's see how to arrange the icon on the desktop. Right click on the blank area, then go to the view option, then click on the auto arrange icon checkbox. Then automatically all the icon is arranged in left side. Let's see how to sorting an icon. Go to the sort by option and click on size checkbox. You can see all the icon is arranged according to their sizes. Again, you right click on the blank area, go to the sort by option and there you click item type. All the icon again arranged in their item types. Go to the sort by, click on the name option. All the icon you can see, they are arranged by their name. Changing desktop background, follow these steps. First, right click on blank area, then you will find one option, that is personalize option. Click on that, then click on desktop background. There you can select the picture and picture section, then at last click on the save change option. Now the screensaver. When the computer is kept idle for some time, a picture appears on the screen. This is called the screensaver. Now the steps are to open screensaver. Right click on the blank area, click on personalize option, click on screensaver and choose the screensaver. And at last click on the preview button and click OK. Next topic is normal mode and safe mode. Children, suppose that Peter did not shut down his computer properly. When he turned it on, a window with many options appeared. That is the normal mode and safe mode option. You can see in the picture. Safe mode option window will check the computer for errors before loading. And start Windows normally option, Windows will start loading normally without checking for errors. Let's see the example. This is the safe mode option. There you will click and window will check the computer for errors before loading. Then it will open. And this one is the start Windows normally picture. In this picture you can see one option, that is start window normally. You will click on that. Window will start loading normally without checking for the error. So you should properly switch on and switch off your computer. Let us see the example how to shut down the computer. Before that, now the last topic of the chapter, that is power mode of a computer. Power mode are used to turn off the power of a computer or to switch to a state that uses less power in the computer is inactive. There are few options. When you click on the shutdown or power button, there is few options like restart, sleep, hibernate and shutdown. Restart option closes all the programs, shut down Windows and then start it again. Sleep mode option reduces the power used but does not turn off your computer. Hibernate, this option saves your work and turns off the computer. Shutdown option closes all the programs and turn off your computer system. Look at the picture. At the left corner there is the power button. You will click on that. An option will come like sleep, hibernate, shutdown and restart. Normally you will shut down your computer clicking on the shutdown option. Let's see. Now see how to shut down your computer or laptop. Go to the start button, the left corner, find shutdown option and click on that. You can see it is processing and then laptop will be shut down. Thank you children and keep learning.